I'll be talking about the get weather button, how we made it, and what it can do. So the idea about the button is we wanted to do a get request where we wanted to get some sort of information, and we wanted to search through the information and show what we thought was the most important, and somehow just to show that it works. This whole get thing, instead of just getting back the HTML, then get some other information that you can use somehow. So first of all, we chose to go for the Danish weather site DMI-DK, as well as we chose to go for the weather forecast over Copenhagen. So now we had the site and we needed to get the information out, or the numbers, or what you want to call it. So we went for inspect elements, network, and we did a refresh on the site, and here we got some information out. So we did a search for get data, and we got three solutions, or three finds for that. And now I know that this is the one by hour we're looking for. So we click this one, and in the header we get the URL, and here we get all the data that is used for this forecasting. So now we wanted to search through it ourselves and get the data we wanted. So first we looked at it, what was in this. Well, we had the wind speed and the wind symbol and some other stuff, and we thought, well, we have temperature, which is I guess something we wanted, and we wanted the time as well. Now this is divided into 3 days. There's 3 days here, and it's very simple. There's day 1, which is today, and there is day 2, which is tomorrow, and there's day 3, the day after that. If you look here, you can see day 1 is Thursday the 6th, which is today. So this is how it's divided. And now so how do we get this information, and how do we search through it and get what we wanted, or get what we want? So we used this. First of all, we made the HTML. We made the button get weather, where you put in the number. So we made it like, if you place in 1, put in 1, you get day 1, which is today. Tomorrow you get the day after that, and day 3 you get the day after that. And yeah, this is very basic. And yeah, we did change the font a bit, made it bold, and yeah, made it a bit bigger. We're just playing around with it a bit. And yeah, then we have the function itself. This is where we do the get request, and this is the site we found where we get all the data from, all the numbers. And this is the JSON where we're searching through. So basically we did it so that the search, the number is basically the day plus the number. Again, day 1 will be today, and I just press in the 1, and day 2 tomorrow. As well as we search through, when we search through the data, we wanted the time, so we get the time out of it, as well as so basically you put in day 1 and you'll get day 1, and you'll get the time, and we call the time. Basically, you can call this anything else as well. Call it yeah, could give it a Danish word for time, but that would make no sense. And then we have the temperature as well, which is the temp in the data we got out, and basically just again the day in. And yeah, and this is the script. So if this works, to get this to work, I suggest using Google Chrome, because it's easy to make it work there. You just go to shortcut, and in the destination you type in this, disable web security. I made a copy of my other Google Chrome shortcut and just did it with this, so I can delete it after, because I don't think this is for browsing. So when you've done that, you take your weather here and you put it in, and yeah, let's see, I want the weather for tomorrow, and here we go. Just search through the weather for tomorrow, and if I want the day after that, yeah, and if I want it for today, I will get from, since it's almost 9 now, I'll get it from 9. So there you go. How to use HTTP GET, and how to use JSON to search for the data.